I promise we understand that when you call us, it's because there's an issue. Until there's an issue, calling your community association management company probably isn't at the top of your priority list. Although if you feel like giving us a ring to tell us we're doing a great job, we don't mind that either. Well, let's be honest, you're probably not gonna give us a call unless there's something going on. Now, when you call in, we understand you're already upset, but please understand that our staff, their first thing that they're gonna wanna do is try and help you either find a resolution to your problem or provide you the tools that are available to you and your rights as a homeowner to be able to resolve the situation. We might not be able to give you exactly what you want to hear. I just want to make sure that when you call in, you give us the opportunity to serve you to the best of our ability before you really start making accusations towards our staff members. And the reason I ask that as the president of our company, and I think this raises the bar, and I think every other management company owner would say the same thing, is because we want the quality of life for the people that are working here to be elevated. And when you call in, if you give them the opportunity and if you meet them with a level of kindness, I can almost guarantee you're gonna have a better experience from the get-go. So this is my ask of every single one of our clients and anyone calling a community association management company, please give us the opportunity to serve you and be kind to us from the very beginning. And ever, if you have a problem with a service request or with an employee, you can always ask to speak to a supervisor, and we'd be more than happy to get involved and see what we can do to help you out. My name is James Pfeiffer with ACCU. Thank you for taking a minute to watch this video. It's all about kindness and it's all about the love. Until next time, I look forward to bringing you additional educational content. Thank you.